Welcome students. In this video we are going to see equations reducible to the linear form. Now what is the meaning of this particular statement? So let us see the question and explanation for that. Now the first question from the exercise is 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. Okay. Now see, linear equation in one variable is identified by the power of variable, and power of variable should be 1. But in this particular problem, the power of variable is not 1, it is actually in denominator, so it is minus 1. So can we say that this is linear equation? So when we look at the equation given, it is not at all looking at it as linear equation. But these kind of equations can be changed into linear equation by using the method which we called it as cross multiplication. Okay, so let us see how to convert these kind of equations into linear equations. So solution, so we write the equation once again. Now here we take 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. So we can shift 3x towards right hand side. So what do we get? Or we can say cross multiplying. So here what will we do? 2 upon 1. So 3x into 2 and is equal to 8x minus 3 into 1, or rather better way, 8x minus 3 into 1 is equal to 3x into 2. Is it okay? So now after doing cross multiplication, let us see what do we get. So we get 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3x. Now this is it a linear equation now? So you will find in all the terms power of variable is 1. So this is linear equation. So what we have done, we have converted this equation in which power of variable was not 1 into an equation wherein power of variable is 1. So this is reducing the given equation to linear equation. Are you getting? So first part of the question is reducing it to linear equation, and then next part is solving. Now you know how to solve this type of questions. So we collect the variables. So first we get 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. Now it's transposing. So 6x is transposed to LHS and minus 3 is transposed to RHS. So 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. So 2x is equal to 3. Now dividing both sides by 2. So we get x is equal to 3 by 2. Is it okay? Let us go to next problem. Now next problem is also similar kind. Here the variable is y, but it is 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Again you will find denominator there is y. So degree of y is not 1. Is it okay? When it is in denominator it is not 1. But can we again convert it into linear form by using which method? Cross multiplication. So yes, so let us go for solution. So here also we do cross multiplying, and then after cross multiplying we get 3y plus 4 into 5. So can we write it as 5 into 3y plus 4, and then the second cross product, so it will be minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. So as we are getting cross, we call this as cross product. So now cross multiplying, you get 5 into 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. Now it is a linear equation and you can solve it by using distributive property which we have done in previous exercise. So now this will be 15y plus 20 is equal to, now when we are multiplying by negative numbers, you have to take great care so that there should not be any mistake in sign. So minus 2 into 2 it will be minus 4, and minus 2 into minus 6y it will be plus 12y. Is it okay? Carefully. So every time when we go to proceed for next step, we should always check the written, that is previous step, whether it is correctly done or not. Is it okay? So now minus 4 plus 12y we are getting. Now it is very easy to simplify or solve these kind of equation because they are linear equation. Now transposing, so 12y is transposed to LHS and 20 is transposed to RHS. So you get 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4 minus 20. Now minus 4 minus 20 will be equal to minus 24, and in the LHS you will get 3y. So 3y is equal to minus 24. So y is equal to minus 24 by 3. So y is equal to minus 8. For both the problems you can do checking in the rough notebook. Is it okay? So remaining problems like second, third and fifth problem, they are very similar problem. So that those problems are given homework for you. Now let us go to the sixth question, that is word problem. The age of Hurry and Harry are in ratio 5:7. Whenever you come across the term ratio, then what should be assumed, children? Common multiplier. So 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Now as the ratio of present ages is 5:7, can we say that x is multiplier? So Hari's age is 5x and Harry's age is 7x. Is it okay? Now after 4 years what will happen? What will be their ages? So their ages will be 5x plus 4 and Harry's age will be 7x plus 4. Now ratio of these two ages is 3:4. So that is the equation. Are you getting how to get the equation? So for getting equation, again we have to assume the variable. So let the common multiplier be x and Harry's age therefore 5x and Harry's age will be 7x. Why 5x and 7x? Because their ages, present ages, are in the ratio 5:7. After 4 years their ages will be 5x plus 4 and Harry's age will be 7x plus 4. So now according to the condition, ratio of 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 is equal to 3:4. Now what is 3:4? So we write 3 upon 4. Is it okay? The ratio can be written in this particular format. So 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. Now what will we do? Again cross multiplication. So 4 into 5x plus 4 will be equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. So then we will get equation which we can reduce in linear form. So once again the same method, then opening the bracket and then transposing the variables, and after that you get, here is again you need to take care. So now 20x plus 16 is equal to 21x minus plus 12. So either you can transpose 20x on right hand side and bring 12 on the left hand side, or you can collect transpose 21x to LHS. Now when 21x is transposed to LHS, it will become 20x minus 21x, and here it will become 12 minus 16. Now here you are getting minus x is equal to minus 4. Is it okay? So we get this step. So let us go for next step. Here we have already obtained that minus x is equal to minus 4. So what is x? So multiplying both sides by minus 1 or cancelling the negative sign, you get x is equal to 4. Now what is x here? X is multiplier. So Hari's age will be 5 into 4, 20 years, and Harry's age will be 7 into 4, that is 28 years. Are you getting, children? So these are the applications of equations wherein you do not get linear equation directly, but you get an equation which can be reduced to linear form. Is it okay? That is linear equation. One more problem of similar kind. So the denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 8. Now here we are talking about a rational number. Rational number means numerator upon denominator. So if numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3/2. So let us see. If we take, now again I told you we should assign variable to the smaller quantity. Now which quantity is smaller, denominator or numerator? So the condition is the denominator of a rational number is greater than numerator by 8. That means denominator is greater. So what is the smaller quantity? So it is numerator. So we take that n to be x. What we assume? N to be x. Then what will be denominator? X plus 8. So what is our required rational number? It is x upon x plus 8. This is the rational number. But now how to get its value? So they have given one condition. Now what is the condition? Numerator is increased by 17. So increase means what? X plus 17. That is 17 added to numerator. And from denominator they have decreased 1. So x plus 8 minus 1. So x plus 8 minus 1 will become x plus 7. So the new number which we are getting, which is that new number, x plus 17 upon x plus 7. This number is nothing but 3 by 2. So that is our equation. Are you getting? So let us write down in standard statement form. So let the numerator of the fraction or rational number be x. So denominator is equal to x plus 8. So according to given condition, what is the condition? Numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1. So what are you getting? You are getting a new rational number. Is it okay? And its value is coming out to be 3 by 2. Is it okay? So further simplifying it. So x plus 17 upon, now my plus 8 minus 1, it will be 7. So x plus 7. X plus 17 upon x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Again cross multiplying. So we get 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. Opening the brackets, you get 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. Again transposing, so 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 34. Now minus x is equal to minus 13. So that means x is equal to 13. Now is it the final answer? X is the numerator, it is not rational number, and we have to find out rational number. So therefore the rational number is 13 upon 13 plus 8, that is equal to 13 upon 21. Mostly all students stop their solution at this particular point, x is equal to 30, which is wrong. We should always read the question, that what we need to find out. In question they are asking to find out the rational number. So you must go for rational number. Is it clear, children? I hope you have understood these questions. These are very easy once you understand the method of cross multiplication. So solve it properly and solve remaining questions as homework in your classwork. Thank you, children.